Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 24, Learning Management System in Django with React.js. In our previous video, I have shown you that I have created the teacher dashboard. In the teacher dashboard, we have created this template: my course, add course, my users, profile setting, change password, and etc. Okay, now in this video, what I am going to do, let's go onto the home page, and here we have a course detail page. Okay, now in this video what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a teacher detail page. Okay, so someone click on this teacher, then he can see the detail of the teacher. Okay, we will show lots of things. Okay, so let's start to do this. So first of all, let's create the component. So here I am. Okay, and it is asking restricted mode is intending. I need to give a trust, so I will say yes. I will say add folder. I will add in the folder home, Suraj and LMS. Okay, trust folder and trust. Okay, now it will not show. Okay, so let's now here what I have done, I have created let's open the source folder here, and in the source folder we have component. In the component, what we are going to do, I will open the main.js file. Okay, so here we have main.js file. Now what I am going to do, let's create component. Let's say we have teacher detail.js. Okay, so this will be teacher detail.js. In this I will create function, and this will be teacher detail, and here we will export this function, export default teacher detail. Okay, and in this what I am going to return, I'm just simply going to return a simple heading. This is teacher detail page. Okay, now in the main.js what we need, so this is the users, this is for the user. Let's say user. Now here we will say teacher detail and we will show here. After this route, we will manage the routes later. Okay, so here we will show teacher detail, and then we will pass some kind of ID. Okay, so here you can see that we have passed the ID. If you want to pass the ID, then you have to pass here. So teacher ID, and this will be teacher detail. So let's say teacher detail. Okay, now we need to give this link to the course detail page. So what we have here, so let's say we are importing the link, and now we need to give the link here where we have the teacher. Okay, now let's say we have link, and in this link we will give this. So let's find the link here. So this is course video, and these are the, so here we have teacher. Now we will find this as a link, and here we will define this. Okay, so here we have link, this two, and this will be teacher detail, and we will pass this ID here, teacher ID. Now let's go to our browser and refresh our page, and if you click on this, then it will show this is teacher detail page. Okay, now let's design this page. So let's design this page. I don't want to show this breadcrumb, so I will just remove this breadcrumb. Okay, and everything else fine. This is okay. Now everything else is fine. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Actually, I'm going to copy this from the render. not all, but from the render in this here. Okay, so let's remove the things. I will remove this thing, related code section I am removing. Okay, and what we need to remove else? So this div is with the Alt Z, you can wrap the text. Here you can see that this is scroll. If you want to wrap this text all, then you can simply shortcut is Alt Z. Okay, so this div is closing here. We need another div. Now it's fine. Okay, so this will be teacher image. Okay, so here we will show the teacher. Okay, we need the link. Okay, we need link, so we will fetch the link from our React Router DOM. So I will copy this and paste it here before the function. Okay, so here we have. So this is, now let's say teacher name. Let's teacher name is John Doe. Okay, teacher name is John Doe, and here is some description about the teacher, and here we will define let's say skills. We can say skills. Okay, so here we need to define the skills. So how we will define the skills? Let's see, and here we have, let's say PHP, and another is you can say Python, and another is you can say JavaScript. So these are the skills of this teacher. Okay, so when someone click on these skills, then it will redirect to this course. Okay, for this particular teacher course. Okay, so and another things we can do, total enrolled. Okay, let's remove this thing. Let's remove, we can just simply add this rating. Okay, or we can say recent course. We can add recent course, or we can add link here. We can add link here. Let's say PHP, or you can say React.js course. Okay, so here we have. Now, so here recent course, skills, spelling of skills is not correct. Now it's fine. Just skills, recent course. We don't need define this total enrolled. We can define rating. Okay, and this will be teacher image. Now these are the courses, course list, you can say course list. Okay, and in this list we will define the all list of this course. Okay, so these are the skills and these are the course list. Okay, so we can simply define this as a, just remove this thing, just remove this. Let's add here, let's define this div. We need to define this. Okay, this is fine. We can define this as a link to. Okay, and let's define class list group item, and you can say this is PHP course 1. Okay, so here we have PHP course 1, and after that we can also define PHP course 2. Here you can see that, and one more class here we need to add, that is PHP group item action. Okay, so this will be action. If we not add, then is there any? Okay, so actually when we add this, then it will hover all of this div. So we will add this. Okay, so PHP course 1, PHP course 2, and let's define Python. Okay, here we have. And why I'm refreshing the page? Actually, my habit is so that because we are also working in a PHP, so that my habit. Okay, so here we have PHP course, JavaScript course, and when we click on this course, this will redirect us to the course detail page. Okay, so let's say we have, I want to define the course detail page, so I will open the home page and just I will simply copy this, and in the teacher detail page I will just simply copy here the things simply. Now it's fine. When we click on this, we are in course detail page. When we click on this, it will redirect to the teacher detail page. Okay, so in this video we have created the teacher detail page. Okay, now in our next video we will define all other things, like we need to define the search bar. We will create search bar and we will create the search page. Okay, and then after maybe 1 or 2 video we will start working on the API. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this series. If you have any question, any doubt, then please add in the comment box. Okay, and you can support me via very small donation, whatever you want, via Razorpay or PayPal. Okay, so it will be very I will appreciate your this will be what I say, so this will be very thankful to me, thankful to you. I am very thankful to you if you do this. Okay, so here I have defined the link, Razorpay, PayPal. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, you can I'm also uploading videos in Hindi. Okay, and yeah, so in the about us section you can see all of the things. If you want to send me email, then you can also mail me. Here I have defined the link. When you sign in, then you can easily find the link. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will appreciate me. You will subscribe, like this video, comment on this video if you have any. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.